Here we have our T-138s. These are in some of the Mustangs, a lot of the Chevys, and a lot of the Dodges. Here on the left-hand side is our 26-pounder, and on the right-hand side is the 56-pounder. We test these all the way to 8,000 RPMs, and what we do is we double check to make sure that every 1,000 RPM is exactly flow matched to each other. Here we show that the 26-pounder, which is to the left, and the 56-pounder is to the right. What we're showing here is the idea, the difference in flow, and it's still at 3 bar at 43.5. Here's a picture of our T-138. This is the stock, which is at 26 pounds. Here's our high performance one, which is at 56 pounds. As you can tell, there is no difference at all with these. It's just that one flows at 26 pounders, the other one flows at 56 pound, and all our fuel injectors are done at 43.5, and also, which is 3 bar, and also we flow test them at 4 bar, which is 58 psi.